Okay, here we go. You get me a neutral battery that's not attached. Sure, this thing can do a little better than that. What in the... That's a good vehicle, not so much a good driver. Wait till you guys see how steep this is. Oh yeah. I can't believe this thing just bossed up that. There's somebody chilling on the mountainside. Downhill's a lot harder than going uphill, ladies and gentlemen, especially FPV. Huh. This little Jeep is a boss, boys. Can't wait to show you guys what he just went up and went down. I mean, if you've seen my other videos, you kind of know, but if I can get over there, holy crap, scaling this thing. Holy crap, boys. What a performance. You just don't understand. This is awesome. So a video camera, I mean, I can look up there and see it, but I'm driving through a video camera and doing way better than if I was looking out there at it. Looking out there right now, but yeah, this is cool. Oh, what a, oh, it pulled around. Hmm. What's going on here? Oh, the battery's dead. End of the ride. Good job, good job. I gotta show you guys what we just rode on before I stop this video. Let me walk out there to it. Give you a good perspective of the treacherous climb he just made before I cancel this video. We just come from there, but we started down there and went up that bank. That bank is literally, yeah, like 5 degrees or something. And then around this thing, we stopped right there. Awesome. Just straight awesome.